How to check HDFC account balance? First of all, open your browser and visit the official HDFC Bank website at www.hdfcbank.com. Once the home page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Net Banking to access the secure login portal. On the login page, enter your unique customer ID and password carefully to sign into your HDFC Net Banking account. After successful login, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. Here you will find a clear summary of your accounts, including your current balance displayed prominently under the account section. If you want to check balance for multiple accounts, you can view them all on the same page without needing to navigate away. Always remember to log out after checking your balance to keep your account secure. And that's it. Now you know how to check your HDFC account balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.